Hello guys, my name is Martin and welcome to a video. Today I will be touching on an issue that most of my friends and colleagues have been posting. They have been asking how they can make money while working at home, that is working online. Today I bring you a list of places that you can make money at the comfort of your space. And one thing that I'll mention here is that you don't require anything to do these jobs. Don't require any prior knowledge or any prior skills for you to work online. All you need is just internet and stable internet and yourself. So bring your computer and then have the stable internet you can work online on the part of sites that I mentioned here. So I'll start by listing one of the sites, and then next, and I will let you decide which you can try on. So I will begin with the Ramotasks. Ramotasks has been there for over 2 years now, and Ramotasks offers an AI-related task that you can work from home. You don't require any knowledge to do these jobs. So they provide beginner training on how to do tasks. So in every task that you do, that you have to go to a training and then you pass so that you can be given a task. So you don't require to know anything about the AI and also anything to do with tasking and all that. All you need to know is just the name, and then you're done. Once you get here, you'll be able to figure everything out from the start to the finish. So guys, this is a site that you can do. You don't need any knowledge. You don't require any skills. So log into Ramotasks and then sign up for your account, and then start the training, and then the next thing that you'll be doing tasks, and also be paid weekly. So one thing that we'll say here is that you can depend on these guys. You can make a living while working on Ramotasks. They usually pay on Thursdays every week. So whatever you earn from Monday to Wednesday, you will be able to receive it on Thursday. That is strictly on Thursday. So guys, if you are looking for a place to make money, this is your number one site that you need to consider using. So for Ramotasks, that is it. So the next site that I will mention is called Toloka. Toloka has similarity with the Ramotasks. So here you do the same task of the AI tasks, that is starting with the segmenting and all that. So as they are saying here, you can earn money by completing the single tasks online. So you can make a living while depending on these guys. So their way of payment is PayPal. They also have Skill, and also they have Money, Para, and Pioneer. So one thing I would say is that you can be guaranteed that when you work here, your money will be saved and you'll be paid within the shortest time possible. So for them, for you to get paid here, you must have a minimum of $1 to be paid. So anything above $1 that you can get paid to your account. So all you need here is just a computer, internet, and no skills whatsoever. So just go to Toloka and then create an account. You will receive a training before you start your task. So no prior knowledge on how to do the task, just you. So this is it for Toloka, and the links are here. I also share the links down on my description. So just go down there and check. Also guys, I will ask you to, if you like the video, so make sure to subscribe and also share to your colleagues so that they can get the skills and knowledge and how to make money while working online. So the next site is called Hive Micro. So or you can also call it Hive Work. So Hive Work offers a variety of AI-related tasks you can work while at home. So same case here with the, as we have seen on Toloka and Ramotasks, they offer the AI tasks. You don't need any knowledge to do the work here. So all you need is just a minute and just an account with them, and then you can start working and making money from the minute that you have it ready. So just create an account and then start working. You get paid within a week. So they pay most of them that they pay based on the amount. For the Hive Work, you can get paid once you reach $10. So try this. They are very high. Get it that you paid your work. So this is it, guys. So for the zero skills, that is all. So for the Ramotasks and Toloka and Hive, you don't require any skills. That's why to start here. So our next site is called Guru. Guru mostly is for the professionals. If you have any school skill, that is beginning with programming, design, art, writing, and other, you can make money here by selling services to them. So this is the list of the top freelancing services that you can do here. So they have programming and development, design and art, writing and translation, technician to secretariat, sales and marketing, business and finance, and training, and legal and engineering as well. So they have more of these skills. If you click here, you can see other services that have been listed there. So you can do can make a living while working. They have a very good pay. So once you sign up here, you can start making your money within the first month. So our next site will be Freelancer. Now Freelancer also looks same with the Guru, but they have a they cover wide area of the service. So they have like everything that you can do online, like any task that is possible online. You can do the task. They offer the premium service that is starting from the writing, graphic design. There's also web design and also other tasks. So you can make money here. If you have the skills required, you can make money here and pay your bills and make a living while doing it. So this brings us to the next and the last site, that is Upwork. Upwork also requires professional services. As you can see here, they say join the world's work marketplace, find great talent, build a business, take your career to the next level. So they offer professional skills. You can sell the skills here online. That starts with the development, design, sales, marketing, writing, and all that. So guys, this is it, and I hope that you have enjoyed the video. I will ask you to subscribe and share to your colleagues. Also give us a thumbs up if you like our video. So that is it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.